the chiropractic adjustment. Has anybody in here not received a chiropractic adjustment? A chiropractic adjustment is a tremendous stimulation to your nervous system, to your brain, to your spinal cord, to the nerves that control them. And what it does is it stimulates them so much that it causes inhibition. It's basically a reset button. You take an area that has imbalance, a lack of control, you press reset, that gives you the opportunity to reestablish better balance, better control. Then you pair it with the corrective exercises, and voila, we start making improvements.